Next question is calculate actual working hours. For each entry, calculate the total hours worked by converting minutes into a fractional of an hour. This will help in demonstrating the exact working hours logged by each employee. Before that, let's change the time of entry and exit format. So for that, Control Shift down and change its format. Here SSAM/PM. Okay. Also similar for this. Now also let's increase its column width. Now we will calculate actual working hour. For actual working hour, we will is equal to B7 B7 I'm really sorry, B7 minus A7 into 24. So this will convert it into hours. Let's hit enter. Now we will double click to apply it for all rows. Now we can change its format into number. Here we get